We have presented a platform that is born from, it's called the Integra. It is perfectly the integration from a motorcycle and a scooter. We cannot identify it correctly because it has all the values that a motorcycle has and all the values that a scooter has. So what better vehicle for commuting, for traveling, for touring, to enjoy the life on two wheels than an Integra. Extremely convenient, economically, let's say, acceptable, really aggressive price, ecologically the most cleanest motorcycle in its category, very low consumption. It's the platform, as I was saying. It also has the DCT, the Evolution, the second series of DCT, which is one of a kind that only Honda can provide to the market. And this is the platform of the NSC 700S, which is a naked bike which will be introduced to the market at only 5,900 euro. All the models, the S, the Integra, the S, and the X series, which is, we could call it like a small motard, they will all have ABS as a basic series, which is also our future plan as Honda, ecologically friendly to the atmosphere, low consumption, and very safe, with a lot of value, a lot of comfort, and all the joys that the two wheels. We want to stimulate the market. We want to revitalize, and this is only Honda can do this, and we are showing it year after year. We're not only showing it with this platform of these three models, but we have finally introduced also the concept that we have presented last year with the Cross Tour, with the famous V4 engine with 130 horsepower, traction control, upside down fork, and radial calipers. It's everything that the customers are waiting for at a very aggressive and convenient price, launching price, which is 14,200 euro. I think we have all our cards ready to play this year, and our objective is that the customers are supposed to be satisfied to ride with two wheels.